Let's go. Vai, bro, vai. So guys, please don't judge me for the order in this room. I will adjust everything soon. So this one, the Pelican 1020 is the ESC enclosure, which with a custom plug and play solution. Also, I don't want to run the cable in the deck, so he can remove the battery easily. Inside we have a Unity. This all wired up. We're using 63100 motor, if I can focus. 63100 motors, 140 kV, 104 reduction on the gear. This thing has a lot of fucking torque, and we are running them on 110 amps each, which is a bit too much, but you know, we like crazy stuff. This is the battery. It's a 12S 6P Molicel P42A. Insane battery cell. After 30 kilometers, he was like room temperature. This battery, it's insane. The cells perform so well. And we also use smart BMS. Very useful. You can check the stats of your on your cell phone. So this build wasn't that expensive. So for that battery, geardrive system with huge motor, was like all mount together, all brand new, was like 2K, something like that. So it's not crazy expensive, but it's crazy powerful. I mean, this board, if you like full throttle on it, even if you put all of the weight in front, it's gonna lift you up. It's like a 60 Newton meter, both combined. It's too much, in my opinion. On the highest mode, that board is too much. Bio boards with 4-wheel drive and 6375 has like 65 Newton meter of torque, and this one has 60. So you do the math. Talking about the other project, we're gonna basically, I already did all of the electronics. As you can see, fuse, BMS for discharge as well as charge in this case, because I want this is gonna be like a huge battery, and I want him to preserve it, you know. The battery itself is super expensive, so if you bypass the BMS, the battery is gonna last you less, of course. So BMS, Fogbox Unity, everything already wired up, I already wired the remote and everything. So a trick, if you use the BMS as a discharge only, if you have a fully charged board and you break, the BMS is gonna cut out the voltage. So what we can do, so basically the thing is, if you disassemble your charger, inside you have a thing which you can use to regulate the output power, and it doesn't mean you have to charge the board completely full. Like this board is gonna do 100 kilometers range, so we're not gonna charge the cell at 4.2. We're gonna charge it like 4.15, you know, so you have a bit of room to break at the very first, even if you full charge the board. So after that, what else? You're gonna see me building the battery, you're gonna see me building the deck and all of the parts on this board. On this one I already did everything because we were on rush, and I want to keep everything fast and easy, you know. But I also show you more stuff about the gear drive and those motors. Those motors are fucking insane, huge. And flipsky is coming with his version, which has like around around magnets shape. Also, you don't need the adapter for the VESC port anymore. It's already built in. And also they comes balanced. Those one are better harder, but they are not balanced. Oh, bella figata. Sì. Andiamo. Let's go.
Questa è la 8? È solo l'accelerazione e anche la... Ok. Ascolto. Oh! Che pazzo! Allora bro, ok, ascoltami. Mi sa che bisogna fare cambiato paese, vecchio. Avanti. Vecchio, senza gli attacchi, faccio la fatica a starci dietro. 90, tranquilli, tranquilli proprio.